So MMC, tell us, how does the city use the comments received from the draft IDP in the budget?
Those comments are sent to the departments for responses. The departments will respond, explaining if they can accommodate any changes that are suggested, or whether they can respond to any questions that are raised, and they will send those back to the budget office, who will then process it and adjust the budget where it needs to be adjusted. The comments are then, with the responses, become part of the final budget and are sent with the final budget to National Treasury and are also published with the final budget, which residents can then see if their comments were considered and what the responses were.